Hello, everyone. This is the post-game analysis of the sealed deck tournament. That was not exactly a great showing, so I think we will have to make a few adjustments here. So I think the two biggest problems we had were insufficient resilience in the face of Theo's hazards. Unfortunately, that's not easy to solve with deck. I think the bigger solution for that is going to be making shorter, safer moves, especially sticking to coastal sea areas to play items. Unfortunately, we just don't have a whole lot of depth when it comes to our character pool. I also think that we should. We also do need to hit harder with our own hazards. So I think I'm going to sacrifice a bit of speed. I was earlier counting my 3 agents as hazards. I'm going to move them up to the character to bring in 3 more hazards. And the deck does play quickly, so I think that we can afford to do that. I also did not quite realize how Cunning Foes works, and I don't think it's worthwhile, especially if we're more likely to play them as replacement characters than as agents. But I do think we should at least use some agent power here because we don't have a whole lot of hazards that can hit into the free domains. One other thing, I just need to check the tournament if my next opponent is going to be playing. Oh, my next opponent's playing a minion deck. So, actually, that changes the Whoops, sorry about that. I moved the wrong thing over. That actually changes the equation fairly seriously. Because, a minion deck, 1, opens him up to certain hazards, and 2, he's not likely to go to the same places. So, I think Durin's Folk is a good addition. I don't think we have any Maya. Calls upon errantry, which we got at. And these ones, Gondorian Raid could be good sideboard hazards, but only kind of if he's in the right, But we do have quite a bit of sideboard power. Border Watcher men, we have rank upon rank, so I do think ones that are men should be prioritized. Durin's Folk is just strong and easy to play, so we'll throw them into. Yeah, I think Elves Upon Errantry. I don't think we're allowed to play Eyes of the Shadows against a minion company. Let me just double check that. Yeah, so so we do have the possibility that this is an opposing Fallen Wizard deck that's designed for a minion, but at the very least, the possibility that's just a straight up minion deck means that we should not have this in the main deck, maybe in the sideboard, and I'll need to. To be honest, I'm not even sure it's that great as a sideboard because eh. don't want that. Maybe it's a sideboard, but you know. Oh yeah, we should definitely have that. What do we... Let's take out the brigands and the Ulukai. And we'll put... let's see what we got here. Put the Horse Lords and Gondorian Rangers in the sideboard. Take out a Slip Treacherously. I mean, it's nice and all, but the odds that we're going to get multiple ones in the deck is kind of low probability. What else? I'm actually going to put the Half Trolls of Farharad back in the sideboard. You know, just in case he wants to hang out in darker areas. And okay, so I think we've got a reasonable. Actually, one thing, because we did get a lot of mileage out of those Thunder's Companions. We do have a third one. Is there anything we could get rid of? Not easily, though. I think we'll just stick with 2. Okay, I think we are as ready as we're going to get for the second round, and I will be seeing you guys again with the next video, which should be recorded in a few days for the match itself. Hope you found this interesting and informative.